5 free ways to use Hermes Agent right now. What if the most powerful free AI agent in the world is already sitting on your machine and you're barely using it? Most people run Hermes and touch maybe 10% of what it can do. The other 90 just sits there. Today, I'll show you 5 free jobs Hermes can run for you right now. And the fifth one ties the other 4 into one system called Agent OS. Stick around for that part because it's the thing that changes everything. I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, and my whole job is helping you actually use AI tools in your work, not just watch videos about them. So today, it's simple. 5 free ways to use Hermes Agent start to finish. By the end, your agent is going to be doing things you didn't even know it could do. And I'll show you exactly how I use each one for a real business, the AI Profit Boardroom. Let's get into it. Quick bit of context first. Hermes is a free open source AI agent from Noose Research. You can host it yourself, connect it to your phone, and it remembers everything across sessions. It comes with tools and skills, and it can talk to other apps. Out of the box, it's good, but most people never plug in what makes it powerful. That's what we're fixing. Let's start with the fun one. Use case number 1, turning Hermes into a free video maker. This is one I actually use to make short explainer videos for the AI Profit Boardroom, so let me show you how it works. There's an open source project called Hyperframes. It was built by the team at HeyGen, and it's completely free. Here's the clever part. Instead of asking AI to make video pixel by pixel, Hyperframes gets your agent to write the video as HTML, like a little web page, and then renders it into a real MP4 file. Your agent is already great at writing HTML, so the results come out clean, and it can even add text-to-speech narration and captions on top. You install it with one line, point Hermes at it, and just tell it what you want. There's another open source tool called Remotion that does something similar too, if you'd rather build in React. Now, here's the thing a lot of people worry about. Don't I need my own API to run all this? You don't. There's a site called OpenRouter that gives you one connection to a whole pile of AI models, and a bunch of them are free. They even have these mystery alpha models that pop up every so often. Someone releases a big, powerful model under a secret name to test it out, and for about a week, it's completely free to use, with a huge memory of around 1 million tokens. You plug the free one straight into Hermes, and away it goes. One quick, honest heads up on those free preview models, they usually log whatever you send them. So keep anything private out. Use them for the fun, low-risk stuff, and you're golden. The first time you watch Hermes, quietly finish a video and drop it into your workspace overnight, the whole game changes. It just does. Now, if you're watching this thinking, okay, I want the exact setup, here's where I point you. Everything I'm showing you today lives inside my community, the AI Profit Boardroom. Inside there, I've got the full Agent OS zip file pinned and ready to install. You download it and you're up and running. No guessing your way through setup. There's a walkthrough for Hyperframes, one for the Kanban swarm I'm about to show you, one for Notebook LME, all of it step by step. On top of that, there's a 30-day roadmap that takes you from just installed to running your own agents like this one. And we jump on weekly coaching calls where you can bring your own setup and I'll help you fix it live. So if today's video is the kind of thing you want to build, the AI Profit Boardroom was built for exactly that. All right, use case number 2. Use case number 2 is a team of agents that work together. This is where it gets a little wild. Hermes has a Kanban board built right in. If you've never seen one, it's just columns: to do, in progress, done, like sticky notes for tasks. But here's the twist. You don't fill in every card yourself. You drop in one line, one mission, and an orchestrator agent reads it, breaks it into smaller tasks, and hands each piece to the right agent. So one agent does the research, another one writes, another handles images, and they all work at the same time in parallel. You watch the cards move across the board on their own. To do, in progress, review, done. No extra work from you. This is what people mean when they say agent swarm. It's a whole team running at once while you go do something else. And the orchestrator is smart about who gets what. It can send the research to one model, the writing to another, the images to a third, so every job goes to the agent that's best at it. You can even set up more than one agent profile, so it's not one lonely assistant, it's a proper team with different roles. The best part is you can jump back in later, open the done column, read exactly what each agent built, and leave notes if you want to tweak it. Nothing gets lost. Every task is tracked for you in one place. So instead of doing the work yourself, you're just checking the work, which is a completely different way to spend your day. You give it the goal in plain English, and the swarm works out the steps and gets moving on its own. Here's how I use it. I dropped one line into the Kanban board, plan a full content push for the AI Profit Boardroom. That was it. The orchestrator split that into research, a batch of scripts, some captions, and a posting plan, then handed each part to a different agent. I came back later, and it was sitting in the done column. That's a full content push for the AI Profit Boardroom from a single sentence. Use case number 3 turns Hermes into a content factory using a free Google tool called Notebook LM. You might have seen it recently renamed to Gemini Notebook. Same thing, don't let that throw you. Notebook LM is really underrated. You feed it your sources, articles, notes, guides, and it can spin them into a podcast, a video, an infographic, a mind map, slides, even flashcards, all from that one pile of information. But there's a free open source connector that hooks Notebook LM up to Hermes, so your agent does it for you and pulls everything back into your workspace. So this is what I do. I fed Notebook LM the guides we use inside the iProfit boardroom, then had Hermes spin up a podcast, an infographic, and a short video, all from that one source. One topic, 3 pieces of content, done in one go. That's a whole shelf of content for the AI Profit boardroom, built from stuff we already had. Use case number 4 is building actual websites, blog posts, apps, and even games. This is the one I lean on the most. Inside your workspace, Hermes can write full SEO blog posts with images, build landing pages, put together little apps like a to-do list or a timer, and yeah, even build playable games you can beat against the AI. And because it all lives in one workspace, you keep the history and previews, no more losing your work in a terminal window somewhere. Here's my version. I've used this to write SEO blog posts and build a landing page for the AI Profit boardroom, going straight from a keyword to a finished page with no other tools in the middle. Over time, that's how content starts showing up in search and quietly bringing the right people to the AI Profit boardroom. And here's a small thing that makes all of this way better. I've got a free tool called Obsidian plugged in as a memory layer. Obsidian just holds your notes in plain text. But when it's connected, Hermes can pull in real context, what the brand is about, who we're talking to, what we've already made, before it builds anything. So instead of guessing, it builds with the full picture and everything comes out sharper. Which brings me to use case number 5. And honestly, it's the one that ties everything together, building an agent OS. So far, I've shown you videos, swarms, content, and websites. The problem is, if you run all of that from a plain terminal, it turns into a mess. No history, no previews. You can't see your Kanban board or anything you've built. An Agent OS fixes that. It's one dashboard, mission controls where every agent lives. Hermes sits right in the middle as the brain, and around it you've got your Kanban board, your studio for making videos and images, your Obsidian memory, a daily journal, and all your other models in one place. And here's the wild part. You can literally ask Hermes to build the Agent OS for you and host it yourself for free. This is the exact home I run everything from for the AI Profit boardroom. So why does an Agent OS actually matter? Because tools on their own get lost. A video here, a website there, a chat you'll never dig up again. An Agent OS gives all of it one home, one memory, and one brain running the show. That's the difference between playing with AI and actually building with it. It's the part almost everyone skips, and the part that puts you way ahead. Okay, a few quick tips before we wrap. First, don't try to build all 5 at once. Pick one this week, maybe it's videos. Next week, add the Kanban swarm. Slow is fine, slow still gets you there. Second, start with the free models on OpenRouter. But remember, they log your prompts. Keep the private stuff off them. Third, plug in Obsidian early. Even a handful of notes about your work gives Hermes context, and everything it builds gets better for it. And fourth, don't wait around for some perfect all-in-one tool. The setup you build now only gets stronger every day, and it builds your skills as you go. The longer you wait, the further behind you fall. So that's 5 free ways to use Hermes Agent right now: videos, a swarm of agents, a content factory, full websites, and the Agent OS that ties it all together. If you want the full process, the SOPs, and 100 plus AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links are in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 85,000 members who are crushing it with AI. And if you're ready to actually build this, not just watch it, come join me inside the AI Profit boardroom. Here's the truth. You're going to hit little walls. Hyperframes won't render the first time. The swarm hands a task to the wrong agent. That's normal, and it's exactly the stuff I help you get past fast. Inside the AI Profit boardroom, you get the full Agent OS zip file ready to install, the 30-day roadmap to walk you through it, tutorials for every tool I showed you today, and the exact prompts I use, plus weekly coaching calls where you can ask me anything and get unstuck in minutes instead of days. It's over 4,000 members now, all building this stuff together. Come join us. Just head to AIprofitboardroom.com. I'll see you inside.